The new Smart Elf 1 Brabus Performance version was officially launched on August 12. The new vehicle features a matte black body with a red roof and has undergone 103 design upgrades. It also features a BRABUS-exclusive matte black exterior paint finish, energy red roof and exterior mirror caps, and 19-inch BRABUS Mono BLOCKZ 10-spoke light alloy wheels. The new car is also equipped with a special sports appearance kit, including a red flow particle grille, the performance logo, the BRABUS Design Sport wind blade air curtains, the BRABUS Design Sport hood, the high-gloss black Sport logo, and the BRABUS Design Sport rear wing. The interior continues with the red and black color scheme, and features such as sports headrests, red seat belts, microfiber velour seats, an Alcantara steering wheel, a Sennheiser sound system, and 256 color ambient lighting. Finally, in terms of configuration, the new vehicle includes the Sennheiser Classic sound package, 13 speakers throughout the vehicle, 3 custom-tuned sound effects, dual-zone smart ambient lighting with 256 colors, and a new ambient lighting palette adjustment module. The new car's power output refers to the current Smart Elf 1 Brabus Performance version, which is equipped with a dual-motor system with a total output of 315 kilowatts, 115 kilowatts at the front and 200 kilowatts at the rear. Given that the previously released new Smart Elf 1 was updated to a 250 kilowatts engine, the powertrain of the new Smart Elf 1 Brabus Performance version is expected to be upgraded simultaneously.